and sea salt. How many of you have heard of?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you know the good stuff. Yes. So
How much salt again?
1/8 teaspoon.
1/8.
And what salt does, it helps to, enhance the flavor. It helps to bring out the flavor.
Right.
And then we need 1 tablespoon of honey. We're going to be using sorghum, which is a healthy plant-based alternative, high in nutrition.
How much is that?
1 tablespoon of sorghum.
You might need to move
1 tablespoon.
You can hear.
So in place of that, you can use honey,
Or maple syrup.
salt.
Yeah, agave, any other healthy.
I use dates.
Dates, you
Yes.
can use dates.
You can use dates.
Raisins,
Agave is all right. It's not the best, but it's okay.
Did you say anything about agave or no?
Yes, you did.
We mentioned a little bit about it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And also, this recipe can also be found in Better Choices for Milks, and most of the recipe books has it in there as well for milks, milk recipes.
Okay, and then we add 3.5 cups of water. And everything goes into the blender. So we don't have to go outside to milk the cow, amen? Amen. We're milking the cow. Yes. 3.5 cups of water.
So any particular type of water, like say you have a crystal.
This is what we have available right now.
Spring water?
This is what is available here. But ideally, a lot of the time when people ask, what is the best kind of water? I always point them back to nature because nature testifies. Nature tells us rainwater is the best one. However, because of all the toxins and chemtrails that it's dangerous. But when we look at the principle, the process that rainwater goes through, it goes through a distillation process.
That's right.
The vapor rises and it filters and all the sediments are left at the bottom. At home, we have a distiller and we have to clean out our distiller every 3 months. When you look to the bottom, thick layers of white mineral deposits coming from the earth. So, the best type of water is salt water. Any water that goes through that similar process that rain does.
Spring water.
Spring water is not necessarily the same process as rainwater, just because it still contains all of the minerals and deposits in inorganic forms. I mean, it's good, but when we look at, the way that we eat, we don't go outside and eat rocks. We eat the food. What the rocks does is that it breaks down into the different minerals. The soil absorbs it, it transfers it to the plants, and then we eat the food. But if we were to go outside and eat rocks, we wouldn't necessarily be able to break it down. And then we just blend all of that. We have a hand. Is alkaline water good? Alkaline water is good. However, they're just trying to get our money. A good way to get alkaline water is using lemon in your water. That alkalinizes your water. And it's good. Yes, it's the cheaper way to go.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
And you get the best type of alkalinity your body needs.
Yes, but plain lemon.
Yeah. Lemon in water
Lemon in water.
alkalizes the water.
So then if you put the lemon in the water, you can use that water.
Well, if you like lemon in your milk, she's trying to be creative, guys. Yes.
God created water to be as a neutral pH, which is perfectly fine. So, the whole alkaline thing, it's just a marketing. Yeah.
Oh, it's a big use.
Yes. So it's
Soft water. Soft.
Yeah, so soft water.
There are different ways, there's different methods of softening the water. So there's different filtration processes, like reverse osmosis process as well, to soften the water. A distillation process to soften the water as well. So you want to find water that has very little minerals in it because it's in an inorganic form that your body cannot use. Minerals are important, but not inorganically. If you understand so far. That's why the water is, anybody ever drank water and it's heavy?
Yeah.
It's like you don't want to choke.
Yeah.
That means it has a lot of minerals in it. So the water has to be softer. It has to be softer. That means it has to be stripped off its mineral. So you get your minerals and vitamins from food. Water is just for refreshing and to hydrate us. My sister had a question. Okay, she want to ask a question. So we're going to finish. Well, if it's really hot, then it does destroy the properties. Any like high heats on food, it then depreciates the properties of the food. So if it with lemon water as well, you want to do like warm water, not extremely hot. You can a little bit on the hot side, but not like extremely hot that it really kills the food, right? Now that's why we're gonna get into that topic afterwards. We're gonna get into like when we cook foods on high heats, especially when we fry foods. I know it's a hard topic to touch because we're gonna talk about what happens in the process. We're not gonna look at it in this demonstration here because we want to finish up our milk. We gotta get to the milk.
So we just blend it up until it's until all the particles are absorbed. So it's nice and good.
It's supposed to be fast.
She said this was a 5-minute.
Yeah. Now, anybody know what type of blender is this? Vitamix. And we're going to talk about this afterwards. Okay, we're gonna ask you afterwards, okay?